We are providing only 20%, that is 6 to 8 articles, as a part of promotion. For remaining 80% current affairs video and general studies complete videos, please subscribe to our complete package. 1. Union Cabinet Meet discusses Jallikattu. What is Jallikattu? What is the cultural value and thoughts of the past about Jallikattu? When was Jallikattu banned and what did the court say on controversy? Why was Jallikattu banned? What are the attributes of Jallikattu bulls? What is the way forward? GS Paper 1, Indian Culture and Heritage from Ancient to Modern Times. Why recently in news? The banned bull taming sport of Jallikattu, native to Tamil Nadu and performed during the Pongal festival, was mentioned at a meeting of the Union Cabinet. Top sources in the government confirmed that the sport, banned after a Supreme Court order, was discussed in connection with finding a way to allow the event. The matter was discussed in the sense that something could be attempted in order to ease the ban on the sport. What is Jallikattu? Jallikattu is a bull taming sport played in Tamil Nadu as a part of Pongal celebrations, festival of harvest. It is based on the concept of flight or fight. The term Jallikattu comes from the term Kalikuku, coins, and Kattu, package, tied to the horns of bulls as the prize money. Later during the colonial period it assumed the present name Jallikattu. In the National Museum the seal from Indus Valley Civilization depicting Jallikattu is preserved. What is the cultural value and thoughts of the past about Jallikattu? Eruth has Huval, embracing the bull. The precursor to Jallikattu was common in the ancient Tamil Nadu, among the pastoral community inhabiting Malai forest. Later it spread to other regions. Another reference to bull taming is found in a seal discovered at Mohenjo-daro, dated back to 2500 BC and 1800 BC. References to people enjoying fights between bulls as time passes are found in Malai Padukadam, and to bull taming in Silapatikaram. Paintings of bullfight have been found in Kalutamettupatti, near Madurai and Karikiyar in the Nilgiris. Bull taming has different names before it metamorphed into Jallikattu, such as Irukal, Irathukattu, Kalai and Aithal. Bull taming was used as benchmark men's valor in ancient civilizations. In Tamil tradition, taming a bull was seen as guarantee for security of pride. Though bull taming has its origin in tribal regions, it follows defined set of rules. The sports was held inside a barricaded arena around which women were seated in galleries. The beginning and end were announced by tom-tom and injured were immediately taken away for treatment. When was Jallikattu banned and what did the court say on controversy? Supreme Court in May 2014 banned Jallikattu and bull cart racing in Tamil Nadu. The court said that forcing a bull and keeping it in a waiting area for hours and subjecting it to the scorching sun is not for the well-being of animal. Forcing and pulling of animal by nose rope into narrow closed enclosure will subject it to the all form of torture, fear, pain and suffer. Also, overpowering of the bull in the arena is not for well-being of animal. Why was Jallikattu banned? In 2009, Tamil Nadu enacted a law to regulate the Jallikattu. However, despite of stringent provisions, animal rights activists and Animal Welfare Board of India continued to see it as cruel act. The Supreme Court held that states' regulatory legislation is merely human-centric, and has stuck down as it is repugnant to Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. By banning the Jallikattu, the SC has made it clear that law on prevention of cruelty to animals overrides the so-called culture and tradition. SC has given primacy to the safety of human participants and animals, rather than the argument that Jallikattu is cultural and religious significance of Tamil community. If Tamil tradition, religion and culture were invoked to justify the continuation of Jallikattu, its association with cultural pride has made it politically impossible for local authorities to stop altogether. What are the attributes of Jallikattu bulls? These cattle are reared in huge herds numbering in hundreds with a few cow herds tending to them. These cattle exhibits all practical comparisons of wild and only experience cow herds on mingling safely. It is from these herds that calves with competent characteristics and body conformation are selected and reared to become Jallikattu bulls. The calves that are chosen to become Jallikattu bulls are fed with nutritious diets so as to make them strong and sturdy bulls. The bulls are made to swim for exercise. The calves which reach adolescence are taken to small Jallikattu event to familiarize with the atmosphere. Once the bulls are released, their instinct take over. The way forward. It is true that Jallikattu has imparted color to culture and tourism in Tamil Nadu, and banning it altogether will cause dismay. However, as in case of many old traditions that have been given up as repugnant to modern-day standards, the state would be better off without this relic from the feudal past. 2. NDC to be scrapped. Niti Aayog Council likely to get its powers. GS Paper 2. Statutory and non-statutory bodies. Why recently in news? After the Planning Commission, the government is set to bring down the curtains on another Nehruvian legacy, the National Development Council, NDC. The Cabinet will, in early January, take up its closure and also pass a resolution for transferring its powers to the Governing Council of the Niti Aayog, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The centre anticipates fresh opposition again on the NDC as well, and so the Prime Minister is likely to want to do it not just executively, but also through a meeting of the full Governing Council of the Chief Ministers. What is NDC? The National Development Council, NDC, is the apex body for decision-making and deliberations on development matters in India, presided over by the Prime Minister. It was set up on the 6th of August 1952 to strengthen and mobilize the effort and resources of the nation in support of the plan, to promote common economic policies in all vital spheres, and to ensure the balanced and rapid development of all parts of the country. The Council comprises the Prime Minister, the Union Cabinet Ministers, Chief Ministers of all states or their substitutes, representatives of the Union Territories and the members of the Planning Commission. But now there is no Planning Commission. It is an extra-constitutional and non-statutory body. NDC is listed as an advisory body to Planning Commission, but its advice is not binding.